how can you look at notifications on the Apple Watch? Let me talk about how it works, and if you're new on this channel, consider subscribing because there are so many tutorials which are coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So, in order to generally look at your notifications, be on your watch face, which is like this lock screen sort of the Apple Watch, and swipe it down from the top edge of the display. So you go like this and all of the notifications are going to be visible. So you can tap on it, if it's a message, you'll be able to reply, or, it depends on the actual notification, but you can access it right here. So perhaps you can tap on it and get inside of that app. As I say, it depends on the specific case. So yeah, that is the way to access it and look at it on the Apple Watch directly. However, if you feel like you're not getting the notifications delivered properly, I would recommend you to go to your watch app on the iPhone and there check out the notifications section. So you will be able to see your settings for individual apps, and depends on how you have it set up or how you prefer it, but you can modify all of your settings here. So you can decide that some apps which are currently delivering notifications are going to stop that, and perhaps more apps will be enabled. As I say, you need to play with it, but this is the place to do it. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. If there is something like a specific question you have on your mind which I did not mention right now, let me know about it below. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.